Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating the visual assets and a theme that the system will use immediately. Add your drawable or adaptive icon in res/drawable and the background color in colors. XML, then define a splash theme in styles. XML that uses that drawable as window background. Once done, open Android Manifest. XML and change the launcher activity to use the new splash theme temporarily so the app displays the screen before the main layout loads. You now implement the transition logic. Add a splash activity that uses the splash theme and minimal work. No heavy I/O on the main thread. In onCreate, kick off resource loading or a short delay using a coroutine, lifecycle scope, or handler. Once your initialization completes, call setTheme to revert to the normal app theme and start the main activity. Make sure to finish the splash activity so it's removed from the back stack and the user cannot return. You finish by updating the manifest so splash activity is the launcher, and then run cold start tests on devices and emulators. Confirm adaptive icon scaling, dark mode compatibility, and orientation changes behave correctly. Make style adjustments as needed. If the splash screen hangs or shows a blank screen, make sure you removed heavy synchronous work from the main thread. Move file I/O and initialization to background threads, or use lazy loading so.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.